we are given y is equals to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Prove that d2y by dx square plus y is equals to 0. Y is equals to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Differentiate both the sides with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equals to d by dx of 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, which is minus 5 sin x minus 3x cos x. Again differentiating this with respect to x, we get d2y by dx square is equals to d by dx of minus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. This is d by dx, not d2 by dx, which is equals to minus 5 cos x plus 3 sin x. Take minus sign common, we get, take minus sign common, we get this is minus cos x minus 3 sin x, which is minus y. Shift minus y to the LHS, we get d2y by dx square plus y equals to 0.